It's a common issue that many of us face, feeling like there's something stuck in our throat, making it uncomfortable to talk, sometimes even causing coughing or difficulty breathing. The buildup of phlegm and mucus can greatly impact our daily lives. In this article, we will explore multiple approaches to effectively clear mucus and phlegm from your throat. 1. Basic care methods. To alleviate the discomfort caused by mucus and phlegm in the throat, you can start with some basic care methods. Coughing it out. If you feel an excess of mucus in your throat, the most direct method is to try coughing it out. Find a private place, such as a bathroom, take a deep breath, and cough forcefully to expel the phlegm. Gargling with warm salt water. Gargling is an effective way to clean the throat. Prepare a glass of warm water, add a moderate amount of salt, stir until dissolved, and then gargle the solution in the back of your throat. The salt water can help reduce inflammation and thin the mucus, making it easier to clear. Staying hydrated. Sufficient water intake helps to thin the mucus, reducing the stickiness in your throat. It's recommended to drink plenty of fluids daily, and you can choose from the following beverages. Warm lemon honey water. The acidity of lemon breaks down mucus, while honey forms a protective layer over the throat, relieving discomfort. Tea with fresh thyme. Thyme has natural antibacterial properties that help clear the respiratory tract. Warm chicken broth. Clear chicken broth helps to break down mucus, making it easier to expel. Cold water. Maintaining hydration prevents mucus buildup, so drink water regularly, not just when thirsty. Steam therapy. Steam therapy is a highly effective way to clear throat mucus. Hot steam helps to loosen mucus that is stuck in the throat. You can do this by leaning over a bowl of hot water, covering your head and the bowl with a towel, and inhaling the steam deeply. Chamomile water is a better choice as it not only loosens mucus but also has a calming effect. Additionally, taking a hot shower can have a similar effect. Just be sure to apply moisturizer afterward to prevent skin dryness. You can also use a humidifier at home to keep the air moist, which helps reduce mucus buildup. Using expectorants. Over-the-counter expectorants can help reduce mucus production or assist in clearing it. Choose the right medication based on your needs. Tongue scraping. In addition to gargling, you can use a tongue scraper to clean the mucus off your tongue. Place the scraper at the back of your tongue, then slowly scrape forward, wiping off the mucus after each pass. Repeat as needed to effectively clear the mucus from the back of your mouth. 2. Natural herbal remedies. In addition to basic care methods, natural herbal remedies can also be effective in clearing mucus. Here are a few common and effective herbal remedies. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil has long been used to clear mucus. You can apply a small amount of coconut oil to the upper chest, then add a few drops of eucalyptus oil. Initially, you may feel a tickle in your throat and cough, but this is the eucalyptus oil working to dissipate the mucus. Another method is to add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to your humidifier, but remember, eucalyptus oil should never be ingested. Turmeric water. Turmeric has strong antibacterial properties and also promotes the normal function of the digestive system. Mix turmeric powder with honey in hot water, stir until dissolved, and drink. Repeated consumption can yield significant results. Spicy foods. Spicy foods are very effective in clearing mucus. Here are some spicy foods that can help reduce mucus buildup. Mustard or wasabi quickly clears the nasal passages and throat. Chili peppers. Capsaicin in chili peppers helps to break down mucus. Ginger and garlic. These spices have natural anti-inflammatory effects and help to clear mucus. 3. Avoiding foods and irritants that promote mucus production. While clearing mucus, it's also important to avoid consuming foods and irritants that increase mucus production. Avoid dairy products. Although there is debate over whether dairy products increase mucus production, it's best to avoid them if you have excess mucus. The fat in dairy products can make phlegm thicker and harder to expel. Reduce soy products. While soy milk and tofu are rich in protein and beneficial for health, they can also increase the viscosity of mucus, leading to more buildup. If you have mucus problems, it's advisable to reduce your intake of soy products. Quit smoking. Smoking not only harms overall health but also irritates the throat, leading to mucus buildup. Quitting smoking will help reduce mucus issues and benefit your long-term health. Avoid chemicals and paint. The fumes from chemicals and paint can irritate the throat and promote mucus production. When cleaning at home, opt for non-toxic and harmless cleaning agents and ensure good ventilation. 4. Diagnosing and addressing underlying issues. Sometimes, the buildup of mucus in the throat may be caused by underlying health issues, which require further diagnosis and treatment. Possibility of a cold. If you feel that your throat is full of mucus, it could be a symptom of a cold. Mucus increases during a cold primarily to protect the respiratory tract and prevent bacteria and viruses from entering. If you have a cold, in addition to clearing the mucus, you need to address the cold symptoms accordingly. Postnasal drip. Postnasal drip occurs when excess mucus is produced in the nasal passages and flows down the back of the throat, causing discomfort. It is usually caused by colds, allergies, certain medications, or a deviated septum. If your postnasal drip persists for more than 10 days and has an unpleasant odor, it's advisable to consult a doctor. Seasonal allergies. Allergies are another common cause of increased mucus production. Unlike mucus from a cold or flu, allergy-related mucus is usually clear. If you have a history of allergies, it's recommended to reduce outdoor activities during allergy seasons, especially when pollen counts are high, and avoid contact with allergens like mold, pet dander, and dust mites. Pregnancy-related mucus production. Hormonal changes during pregnancy can cause an increase in mucus production. Although there are limited medications available during pregnancy, mild decongestants like loratadine can help alleviate mucus issues. However, this is usually a temporary physiological change, so there's no need to worry excessively. Thrush. If you find that there is a lot of mucus on the surface of your tongue, accompanied by white ulcers, swelling, fever, and pain, it could be a symptom of thrush caused by a candida infection. In such cases, it's important to see a doctor for treatment. 5 tips. To effectively prevent and clear mucus in the throat, the following tips can help you manage better. Stay hydrated. Ensure you drink enough water daily to keep your mouth and throat moist. Avoid irritating smells. Steer clear of fumes from paint and chemical cleaners. Moderate consumption of spicy foods. Spicy foods can help clear mucus but should be consumed in moderation to avoid gastrointestinal discomfort. By following these methods, you can better manage and clear the phlegm and mucus in your throat, improving your quality of life.